Well, hello there, everybody. That's right, I got a cigar in my hand. I don't condone smoking, but every now and then it's okay. I only smoke a cigar every now and then anyway. This is a Gurkha. I picked it up. There's a truck stop about 5 miles east of the California border in Arizona on I-10. I can't remember the name of the truck stop at all, but they sell cigars. I got a walk-in humidor there, and I picked this up. This is a Gurkha. It's pretty good, actually. You might ask, Big Mike, why are you smoking a cigar? Well, guys, all my shit's paid. That's right. I paid my $22.90, if you don't know what that is. $22.90 is your heavy vehicle road tax. You have to pay it to the IRS at least 2 times a year. So, right around the end of the year, and then you have to pay it about middle of the year. That's my understanding. I could be wrong about that, but that's my understanding. Then I paid on top of that. I did my inspection. Truck passed. No problem there. Then, I had to go and get my plates. My plates were $1,357. And I paid that this morning. And it was due at the end of January, but they give you a 5-day grace period. And I used all of that. So, today is the 5th of February. So, today was the end of my 5-day grace period. So, I was able to go get it taken care of and everything. And I got it done. The truck is legal for another year. So am I. Well, I didn't do a medical certificate while I was at it, but I've been doing pretty good, trying to eat a little healthier. There's not a video of the scenery while I'm doing this. This is going to be a short video, probably about 5 minutes long. There's not a video of the scenery while I'm doing this because the camera's still full. I haven't had a chance to unload it yet from going to shoot. I was in the Memphis area. So anyway, so I haven't had a chance to unload it yet. So hopefully you guys are getting to see that first. But yeah, so I'm here. This is my celebration right here. I don't get to celebrate a whole lot. I certainly don't get to go out and drink a whole lot, and I used to a lot, but I don't anymore. But this is my little celebration. I accomplished my goal. My truck is back on the road, and there's money in the bank, which is wonderful, and I'm so glad for that. So I'm on my way right now to Amarillo, and then I'm going to stop there and spend the night on. You have to keep pumping on these things. I'm going to go to Amarillo. I'm going to spend the night tonight, and then when I get down in Amarillo, I'm going to go out to Albuquerque and drop part of this. It's another 2-drop load, and then from there I got to go to Salt Lake City, and there is winter weather going that direction. So I am going to have to be careful as far as that's concerned, but I don't know. We'll see. The one thing that is going to happen is I'm going to get to go up through Moab. I have not taken this truck through Moab yet, and I hear it's fantastic scenery, so we're going to try that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot going on other than I got my stuff taken care of. The truck is dirty as all get out, and if I had taken a truck, I should take a picture before I get it washed, and I may do that. Depends on what time I get to Amarillo, because I'm going to get it washed in Amarillo. The trailer I'm hauling is dirtier than my truck. I brought a trailer back that was dirty, and that trailer is actually cleaner, and it was still in the yard, and he wanted me to take this one, so I took this one. So I brought this one over here, or I'm bringing this one with me, and it's filthy. So I got to do both the truck and the trailer tonight. But he's going to pay for the trailer to be washed, which is nice. But anyway, that, like I said, that's pretty much it. Everything else is great. I got nothing. So I'm just happy and cruising along and listening to music. And that's pretty much it. So I will catch you guys on the flip side. Until then. It's not a bad cigar. It's a little dry. What it looks like when they shine up my truck. It's a good looking truck. inside the Petro in Amarillo was open when I got in, and I was going to take a shower anyway. So I jetted in real quick. I got a shower. I came back out. She was able to cut my hair. And my aunt used to be, or it still is, a hairstylist. She's like part-time. She's sort of retiring. And so I can always tell when somebody's scissors are sharp. You know, that's the thing, which is kind of nice. And the lady last night, you know, she takes care of her stuff. Her scissors were sharp, and she did a good job. So I was really glad to get a good haircut at a Petro instead of getting a terrible haircut at a Petro, because I've had terrible haircuts at Petros. Anyway, we are in New Mexico. We're on I-40. We're heading west, and we're going to Albuquerque. That's the next stop. And I've already called. Even though this stuff's not supposed to deliver till tomorrow morning, I've already called today and see if they're going to take it when I get there. They said, yeah, it's not going to be a problem. We'll go ahead and take it. Like, okay. And then from there, I'm going to go on west, probably to Gallup. There's two ways I can go. I'll try to put a map up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And up here. Anyway, I'll try to put a map up so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. And there's two ways to go. You can go 550 or you can go 491. So from Albuquerque, you can go up and take 550 and kind of cut across. Or you can go out to Gallup, New Mexico, and then go up from there on 491. And I think I'm going to go to Gallup and then go up on 491 because I think that's a much better route for trucks. I think 550's got some truck restrictions on it. I think I went down 550 once before, but I think 550's got some truck restrictions on it, so I don't really want to go that way if that's the case. So, that's kind of what's going on today. It's really windy right now, and I'm trying my best to kind of keep the truck under control and still try to make headway at this point, but it's eating up my fuel mileage because I think the wind's coming at me this way, and so it's kind of beating me around a little bit, eating up my fuel mileage. So, and I'm light. That's the other thing. So when it gets like this, I kind of get nervous. I want to make sure that I'm going to be okay. And this is pushing me. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep these daily updates down to under 5 minutes because I feel like you guys are missing out on some stuff. And sometimes I show home time, and sometimes I don't. Usually I don't. When I'm home, I'm busy. But I did have a little home time in the last couple of days and everything. Worried about my cat, Trixie. Trixie's been staying in the apartment because I really felt like she wasn't enjoying being on the truck. And for a while, I think that's worked, but she kind of gave me a confused look yesterday. I got up early and went and took care of my abortion claims finally and got that all out of the way. And then I came back about 9:30 in the morning, and she came out of the other bedroom, and she kind of looked at me like, do I know you? I think, I'm not sure if I know you. Like, I don't know if I trust you. It's like, she's my cat. Oh, look at that. Like, she's my cat, So, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to take her in and get her looked at, get her checked out or whatever. And not something I'm looking forward to doing, I'll tell you that much. But, the other thing is, it may just be that, she's at home a lot, and I do have a guy that stays with me, and she came out of his room, actually, and I have a roommate. He stays, and he goes to work, and then on the weekends, he goes home to see his wife and kids. And so I think Trixie may end up spending a couple of days too long by herself. So I may bring her back out on the truck in the next few weeks or whatnot. Anyway, that's kind of what's going on today. Just tootling along. I'm not really even doing. I'm pushing hard against the wind right now, and it's not doing well. I'm doing 3.5 miles to the gallon, and that's just because of how much I'm pushing against the wind. So anyway, that's it, y'all. Shiny side up. See you down the road.
High wind warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. Location: South Central Mountains, Central Highlands, Northeast Highlands, Harding, Eastern San Diego.
something awful today. Let me tell you. It has been blowing so freaking hard. All across New Mexico. You know, and the thing is, I was listening to the weather radio. Hopefully I put that in the video. I took the video of that because I thought it was kind of funny. But at one point today, apparently the winds were gusting up to 60 miles an hour. So I may or may not have gone through that. And there were a couple of times, you know, my heart sank. Just right on down into my stomach. It's like, you know, that feeling that you get when you're falling. I don't know. Oh, it was rough. It's been a rough day. And the thing is, I'm going to go north and go up through Moab, but it snowed a little bit up there, and the roads are kind of, even though the roads are sort of dry that direction, the wind is so bad, and right now I'm kind of facing into it. It's coming from this way, and it's not bad, but as soon as I turn to go that way, it's going to broadside the truck, and I just don't want to deal with it. So I'm gonna turn in here shortly, another 5 miles or so, and just call it a day. Stop fighting with the wind. So I did manage to make it to Albuquerque and drop the load, and it was like real easy, a couple pallets, and that was about it. So, and now I'm coming into Gallup, and 491, which is in a mile, exit 20. That's the exit I gotta take in the morning to go north. So, but tomorrow's supposed to be better as far as weather's concerned, and there may be a little more snow tonight. I don't know, but we're gonna find out, I guess. Anyway, that's it. Just getting ready to tie it up for the night and park. I'll keep you guys abreast of the situation. I don't know why I thought that was funny, but it was. Alright guys, so I've been in the truck since about 4. Came into the TA here in Gallup, New Mexico, and just kind of I think we're east-west of Gallup, New Mexico, and not really anything to do, so I've been watching YouTube videos and generally catching up on some of my subscriptions that I follow that I don't, like, because I have 2 channels. I have my personal channel and I have the other channel, but the one that you guys follow. And so I love stuff like Sasnak. I watch Finnegan's Garage. I watch SV Seeker. If you guys haven't checked out SV Seeker, the guy's building a boat in his front yard in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's a big boat. It's not a little boat. It's 75 feet or 73 feet long. Great videos. I watch stuff about schoolies. I watch stuff about, living in a van. I watch, other stuff like that. So it's just a lot of stuff. So I've been catching up on some of my subscriptions. Checking out Facebook here and there and everything. And getting ready to go in to eat. And just popped up into the, I got my curtain up. Remember we talked about curtains or whatever, right? So I got my curtain up, had it up. I just pulled it back here so I could get out. And sure enough, Who called it? Check that out. That's right. It's fucking snowing. Something about the sky. I just figured it was going to snow. So now it's snowing, and the wind has died down. Thank goodness, because it was wild today. But I'm going to get out. It's Big Mike's feeding time. Big Mike's going to go get fed. So y'all, keep the shiny side up. And I will see you down the road.